Personal stories play an important role in shaping society and influencing major historical changes. By examining aspects such as family, education, culture, and environment, we learn how these factors shape a person's identity, beliefs, and decisions. This approach also makes history more relatable because it highlights the human experiences behind significant events. Through life histories, we are reminded that even ordinary people contribute to the development of communities and the direction of history. Biographical research also preserves cultural memories and personal stories that might otherwise be forgotten. It teaches us that individuals grow and change through their interactions with society and the institutions around them. By understanding these influences, we gain a deeper appreciation of how a person becomes who they are. Life histories reveal that even simple, everyday experiences can carry deeper meanings about human growth. Overall, studying life histories allows us to see both the personal and societal sides of history, giving us a richer and more meaningful understanding of the past.